How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter just got in. We've been busy. And we went to Walmart and we wanted something quick to cook and eat. So we got some steak, ribeye steaks, little thin ones. So 2 steaks equal 1 good steak. So I already washed the steaks. I'll be using my Foodi extra large grill right here.
Use mine here.
Yeah. Let me plug it in. Let it be preheating while I season the meat. And I'll be using the grill pan so I can get them grill marks. You want me to season your steaks, right?
Yeah, I was going to put a little meats in the riser.
You ain't putting nothing. If I'm going to do it, then, okay, you do it. You do it. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it my way.
I want some of that stuff on there.
What stuff?
Some of the other seasoning. I like that as well.
You're insulting me. Yeah. Okay, I got the grill pan thingamajig up in here.
That's fine. Let's get some of that.
What?
That's it.
Oh. Okay. I don't know if I need to spray it or not, so I'm not. So I'm going to turn it on. Put it on grill. I'm going to put it on max. And start. So it's going to preheat first. So I want that grill pan to get good and hot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pat these steaks dry. Like I said, I've already rinsed them off. This is the stuff I'm going to put on. Yellow mustard. Some kosher salt. That's the coarse kosher salt. I'll put this on everything. Now, the sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. Black pepper. Worcestershire sauce. I pour it in this spray bottle and I just spray it on the meat now. And I'm going to put some grapeseed oil on the steak. Right now I'm going to pat these steaks dry. A lot of water down in here. This pan I'm using is, it goes in my Cicero air fryer oven. So it's good for seasoning meat. Get this mess out the way. I always pat the meat dry. Okay, that's good. You got some mixed seasoning like this, always shake it up so you can redistribute everything in here. So you can get equal amounts of all the herbs and spices. Sprinkling it on here freely. Salt. We're going to go crazy with the salt. And using the big coarse grounds of salt, that makes you actually use less salt than if you would use regular, the regular salt. Black pepper. That's the big grounds also. And what else? What's this here sauce? Worcestershire And I like the way it comes out in the spray. Very nice. Put my glove on and rub it. Where my gloves at? Did I tell y'all these were the thin ribeye steaks? No bone. We'll do this all over again. Well, that's enough for all of them. We'll get these bottles nasty. Uh-oh. I don't want to touch it. Woo! Enough. And where's the stuff? I'm gonna smush it. And the steaks will not taste like mustard at all. Just going to tenderize. It's going to add another layer of flavor. People ask me all the time, would food taste like mustard? No. Let me tell you what's in the mustard. Vinegar, water, mustard seed, salt, turmeric, and paprika. So those are seasonings that you use in everything anyway. So just adding another layer of flavor. Okay. It's almost ready. My goodness. I think I'm going to spray the grill pan with some grapeseed oil. The manual says don't use oils with a low heating point. So grapeseed oil and avocado oil, they have a high heating or smoke point. I'm so ready to put it in here now. Move this cord. I'll be back. When it says add food, then I'll be back. Okay, it says add food. Right here. Whoa. I'm going to spray this with some grapeseed oil. I don't know if I should or not. I don't know. But I'm going to do it. Honey, I'm putting all this food on here. Love to hear that sizzle. Come on now. I don't want to scratch my grill pan. Turn over. I want them doubled up under here.
Too, ain't it?
I was gonna put some more stuff down in it. You can take it. That's okay, take it.
You won't get more stuff to go down in?
I got a lot of stuff, man. Hush. Okay, add fruit. Okay, it probably take about 8 minutes for medium well. So I will be back. Let me clean this mess up. See, it says flip. Okay, at the 5-minute mark. So I just want to show y'all. So I'm going to flip it. But don't stay on long. Just watch it. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh.
Flip, flip. Ooh, they tender. Probably done now. You did not.
What? Didn't do what?
Did you move my plate, man? Juicy. I don't see no grill marks. That's why I used this. Because I could have put these in the air fryer. And threw some fries on the side.
Well, you having french fries?
Huh?
You having french fries with it? Yeah.
I'm not having no... You fixing mashed potatoes.
Well, I ain't got to if you have french fries.
I ain't fixing... Child, when my steak get done, you think I'm going to fix some fries?
That's the only reason I was fixing.
And let my steak get tough? No. While the fries cook? I don't think so.
So I thought you just...
You ain't thought nothing. That's what you get for thinking. Okay, I'm going to stop these steaks. They've been cooking for 8 minutes, and I'm quite sure they're done. And the residual heat will continue to cook them. So I'll be putting Heinz 57 sauce and some A1 sauce on mine. I got a salad. Is that on? Yeah. Let me get a steak knife. So we'll get a big steak and a little steak. Oh, that looks so good and juicy. Woo! I am hungry. Keep the heat in. I'll wait a second. Where's my Worcestershire? Worcestershire on here. I'm going to put some on here too. Okay. This one sat long enough so I can cut into it and see the the doneness of it. I want medium well, but I do like well done steaks. I don't discriminate. I don't want no fat. It's a little hard fat on here. Okay. I call that medium well. Well, it's thin. I call it medium well or medium. Well, it's not well done, but it's good. I'm going to taste this piece. See if it's tender. So I'm going to let y'all know if it's tender or not. All right. Walter, you going to cry when you taste the steak.
I hope it's crying for good.
You going to cry.
I'll cry.
Ooh, it's so good.
And let me taste yours.
You better get out of here, man. Let me sauce it up.
Yeah, leave all that stuff out too.
I'm going to hide it.
I know you be hiding, but leave it out.
I'm going to hide it. Come on out of here now. It's a brand new bottle. Oh, I don't want that much. That's good. I should have took a picture before I cut into it.
October the 14th. October the 14th when I see this man.
I'm filming.
Well, you film.
I'm crazy. Okay, I need a thumbnail, then I'm through. Okay, here's my thin ribeye steak with my salad. Let me show you the salad dressing I use. It's the best. Farmhouse. Oak Hill Farms Farmhouse Collection French dressing. Look at all the seasonings in it. Can you wait a minute, Walter, please? Thank you. Before I eat all your steak. Okay. It's really, really, really good. You can also mix it in barbecue sauce. You know how I do. So, try to get a good thumbnail. That's good. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.
Yeah.
You want me to put the camera on you? Keep on clowning.
Keep on clowning.
He making a big old thing of Kool-Aid.
It ain't a big old thing.
It is. How many? That's about what? 18 ounces?
12
Big old jug of Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
And he makes it syrupy sweet. Okay. I was ending. Y'all be blessed. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bye.
Bye.